Hey there, East here, Lekker Defenders. Today's video, quick one. We are on Hannibal 2.8 Defender 2000 model, BMW motor in it. And I need to change the lug nuts. And the reason I need to change the lug nuts, the ones on the front are fine-ish. I mean, most of them are okay. But someone who must have had my temperament at some point with the rear wheels, because I need to get them balanced, I've got to get them off. Have a look at the magnificence of how someone wailed on the wrong socket onto these things to get the wheel off and then use them to put them back on. So that's not going to be difficult. So what I did was I just ordered new lug nuts all the way around. So again, a super quick video. This is on the other side. But I mean, look at, just beat those things like a screen door in a hurricane. So I'm going to get working on that, get those all changed out, and at least then the wheels can come off and on, because like I said, I do need to take it in. Now that the tie rods and everything is done up front, I need to get it in for a wheel alignment, and I'll have them do a balance at the same time, but they've got to be able to get the wheels off and then not put those same lug nuts back on. So here we go. One wheel done, 3 to go. I'm going to go do the other front one because I know that those are okay. The rear wheels are going to be the challenge. So let me get the front ones done and then I'll come back to. All right, let's start with the ones that are easy. Ish. One down. I don't know that I have a key for that. Let me go and check though. Because, sure. Before I do that, I do have a 27mm. I don't even, help me understand. I don't know how I'm gonna get these off. I don't know. I didn't even know how the hell they got them back on. I don't understand why. Well, I mean, I do understand why. I shouldn't ask silly questions. Alright, well, that was somewhat easier than I thought, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let me do this. Let me see if I've got a key for this, because if I don't, that's going to be a problem. And then do I just whale this on? I'm probably going to need to. Or do I just try and knock this one on? I don't know. I'll be back. Good news, I have the tool. Bad news is, it's the wrong one. And these pins are too far apart. Now the question is, do I just make it fit just to get it off? And I think the answer to that is yes, because I don't need the lock nuts. Can it come off? The answer is no. No, it cannot. Let me get this one off. Same technique. Nope. Nope, sure isn't. This right here is still going to be the biggest. I don't... shoot. There I see what it is, right there. See how it says B? And this is an A. And you can see right there where I'm probably gonna have to order a B. That's fine. Let me continue to struggle to get this guy off somehow, and I'll see if I can order a B. I have to be able to, one would assume. One would assume. Alright, well, back to wailing on this thing. There we go. And look, I certainly had something to do with that, but it's not supposed to look like that. It's just not. Alright, new one on. Cool. Oh, I do also have new center caps as well that aren't faded, missing, chipped, peeled like that. So I need to get those on as well. Probably need to replace these as well. These have seen, I don't know if that is just sun damage or rock damage, but that thing has seen better days. I'm going to put it back on for right now so that I forget to do it later. But I am going to replace those as well. Alright, onto the last wheel. Hopefully that doesn't have a lock nut on it. It might. I've been through this car pretty thoroughly and I haven't seen anything on them. But I'll go through it one more time, see if I can find the right thing. But off to the next wheel. I'm going to stop waffling on. Same thing on this side. Lock nut. Let's see if we can manage to get... Nope. Well, let's do this one. That one looks easy enough to get off. And it was. New one on. I do like how with this one, someone just got angry with it and punctured a hole in it. I'm not sure why, but I've learnt a long time ago. Stop trying to figure out what other people are thinking. Nope. Let me get the hammer. Let's try and knock on the correct one. That's not going to work. I wonder if I try a socket one size larger. So that's a 1 1/8. This, of course, is a 27. I don't have a 28 mil, but a 1 1/8 is marginally bigger. How is that not coming off? Let me get the bigger impact. I don't know that more power is the answer, though. I'm going to attempt to be sensible first and use a breaker bar, because that seems like the right answer. And it was. That was the right answer. You see, I'm learning, because what I had done was gone and got the big boy with the 12 HD battery, and there was a part of me in my head thinking to myself, perhaps that is not the smartest idea, and I'm glad I listened to myself, because I am growing as a person. I also have no clue how I'm gonna get that out, but that's a later problem. It's a problem. It's a problem for Monday. Of course, Monday's tomorrow because today's Sunday. So, all right, this is a B as well. I'm gonna do some digging through this vehicle. I'm pretty sure it's not there, but I'll look for it. Hopefully I find it. If I do find it, I just found a stone from Africa. because that's the best place to find stones. Anyway, I'm going to dig through the car, see what I can find. I doubt I'm going to find anything, but if I do, great. If not, I will order the B-style lock nuts, and that's it. Job done. Thanks for watching.